guys, today I'm doing a very fun video. I just really was excited about this and I thought I'd do a video on it. So this is an unboxing of something called Love with Food. Now this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I literally got an ad for this like on Facebook and I was like, ooh, that sounds really interesting, and I got my first box. I think the first box was like discounted or only like $5 or $10, and then it's like a subscription that you have to cancel if you don't want it. So this is my first box, so I don't know what to expect. It's really cute. It came in this little red box. So pretty much it's like a snack box, and it's like healthier snacks, things that aren't supposed to be so bad for you. So I am going to try to see if there's like ingredients to see if it's really like that or if it just seems healthy. But yeah, I love stuff like this. I always want to try new snacks. I'm like a very adventurous food person, so this was something I really wanted to try. I don't have a link for you or anything. I will link the website below just so you can check it out if you're interested. But I have my scissors here and we're just going to cut this baby open. It's a very nice box. This might be a good gift. I always love this kind of stuff as gifts because sometimes, I'm getting onto a rant here, but I feel like sometimes when you give people like a shirt or a candle, like it's just not, I don't know, it's just the same. And I feel like when you get someone something like this, they get to try new things. And if they don't like it, it's not like you spent like 50 bucks on something. So let's open her up. There we go. Okay, there's quite a few things in here. I'm seeing nuts. So if you're allergic to nuts, actually I do think I took a quiz that said if you're allergic to anything, they won't put it in. Oh, I forgot about this part. That's nice. It says for every box delivered, 1 meal is donated to Feeding America, which is feeding people who are less fortunate. That's awesome. Wow, there's lots of stuff in here. Ooh, and these are brands I feel like I have not heard of. Okay, so we're just gonna go in. Wholesome, organic, delish fish. So this pretty much looks like Swedish fish or like a fruit snack. That's healthier, I guess. This is naturally flavored raspberry. Swedish fish aren't raspberry flavored, are they? What are they flavored? So the first ingredient is cane sugar. So how much sugar is in this little pack? 14 grams in this little tiny pack. See, now that's what I'm talking about when I say, oh, it says it's healthy. Yeah, but that's a lot of sugar. Should we try them now? Well, you know what? At the end, we'll pick like a couple things to try because I'm not trying to, you know, have to go to the bathroom or anything. Ooh, this one is not for me. Almonds. I like the flavor of almonds, but like I don't like eating whole almonds. Here's a little pack of sea salted roasted almonds, gluten-free. So don't really know how that's healthy. I mean, I know almonds are healthy for you, but I don't know how this is anything special. I'm not a fan. I'll give them to my mom or something. Ooh, this sounds good. It's a peelable and portable superfruit snack. You love fruit, super berry, acai, pomegranate, goji berry, and mango. 7 grams of sugar, and there's no added sugar, so it's supposed to be super healthy, I guess. It says made of with 1 cup of fruit. I might try this in this video. Ooh, this I like. This is a Puroline cream-filled wafer. They're like those cookies that are like a long, kind of look like a cigar that have chocolate inside of them. It's dark chocolate flavored. I am a fan of dark chocolate. Raised sugar is the first ingredient. I want to see how much sugar. 12 grams in both cookies. That's like a lot though. Oh, meat. So I don't know if you guys know this, I'm not vegan or vegetarian, but I am like adjacent to vegetarian. I eat meat maybe 2-3 times a week. I usually don't eat beef. I do eat fish and I do eat dairy, but I do try to cut down on my dairy intake. I don't drink regular milk and things like that, so I do not completely cut anything out. This looks like a Slim Jim. I'm just like, it's a meat stick. It is meat. It's a turkey stick. Huh. So essentially, I am a fan of Slim Jims. I haven't had one in probably 10 years. Not 10 years, but like 8 years. It's a long time, but I used to be a big fan of Slim Jims. So this is essentially a Slim Jim, but it's turkey. It's rosemary flavored, so it's a pretty thick, like that's a meaty meat stick. Yeah, I can't smell it, but I would totally try that. So that is something I would just try. Probably give it to like my dad or something, but like I'll take a bite. More nuts. Trail mix. I'm not a big nut person. Like I like peanuts and like cashews, but like I'm not like, ooh, that's a nice snack. So this is a Mr. Nature, a handful of healthy unsalted, come on, unsalted trail mix, peanuts, raisins, walnuts, almonds, and seeds. Ugh, I don't know. You know, so far I'm pretty impressed. Like there is some stuff I'm excited to try. Sounds good. Cinnamon crispy bites. All natural, no preservatives. So essentially they're just cookies that are flavored cinnamon. So like, what's that called? A graham cracker? Nut-free bakery. So that's nice. Okay. 8 grams of sugar. That's not too bad. The stuff was really packed in here. Ooh, pretzels! Mini salted caramel pretzels. Oh, I'm more of a salt snack person. I put that in my little bio. Whatever. That's nice. I'll try this. It's made in the USA. 0 artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Who doesn't like a good pretzel? Okay, 2 more things I think we have in here. The one we have something called that's lemon. A lemon snackaroon. It's a grab-and-go coconut snack for the whole family. Well, I don't think this is gonna feed the whole family, but I get where you're coming from. So it feels like one cookie. It's a macaroon. You know, like not like a macaroon, like a French macaroon, but like a macaroon that has all the coconut on it. But it's lemon flavored and has cardamom and pink Himalayan salt. What? That's cool. And then last but not least, we have some crackers. Bean and veggie nut-free wheat crackers. I don't know. They look like that. That's a nice amount of food for, I don't even know how much I spent on this. Probably under $10, I want to say. That's nice. I feel like this is fun. Like if you have kids or you just want to try some like healthy snacks to bring with you that are different. My only thing is if I really like one of these things, where do I buy it? I don't think you buy it from their website, so I would have to look into that. But let's try something before we go. So we have the Delish fish. I kind of want to see if they taste like a Swedish fish. I should have water nearby just in case something's really gross. Open up. Wow, they do not smell like Swedish fish. They smell like straight up raspberry. Like if you had a container of raspberries and just stuck your face in there. They look like I swear the Swedish Fish Factory makes these. They look identical to Swedish fish. I wish I had some to compare. But they're more pink colored, not red. So they're like naturally flavored or something. They literally straight up smell like raspberry. Okay, if you have cavity issues, not for you. It's honestly the texture of a Swedish fish. Identical texture, it's just the flavor that's different. Swedish fish has that like, I don't know if it's cherry or what. It's like a flavor that only is in Swedish fish. This is definitely raspberry. But it is good. Like, I would eat that whole bag. There was 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of those fish in this little bag. So, okay. I'm gonna try this fruit thing because this is really interesting to me. What the heck? This is weird. Okay, so I opened this container. What is this? What is this? So it's like a fruit roll-up. This is so weird. Like, I feel like a kid could get a kick out of this, but it like looks like a bunch of little like pepperonis. It smells good. It literally feels like a fruit roll up or something. That's good. Definitely, that's what it tastes like. It tastes like a healthy fruit roll up. You know what? That's good. I would keep eating those. Those are good. Some of these things I feel like I already know. Like the nuts are just nuts. Like they're gonna taste like nuts. I'll stop saying nuts. This is the box. I actually really am excited about it. I haven't yet decided if I'm going to keep getting it like month by month. I might try a different box, like try a couple of them and then pick one. But I do think it's pretty cool. I like that every time you get a box, it helps people in need. So I think that's a great thing. So I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to see more from me and I will see you next time. Bye.